你好, this is Litao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao, your Chinese teacher. Welcome to our new Chinese learning series, Ask Litao. In each video of this new series, we are going to pick at least one question from comments or emails to answer. So if you have any questions about learning Chinese, please leave them in comments or email us at service@litaochinese.com. Today's question is from a student who watched the first lesson of our elementary Chinese course. In the email, he wrote, Now I know we can use 你是哪国人 to ask where a person comes from. But I also heard my Chinese friends say 你是哪里人? Are the two questions the same? Well, here is the answer. In the first question, 你是哪国人? The word 国 means country. The later translation of this question is you are which country person? Which country are you from? So the question 你是哪国人 can only be used to ask which country somebody comes from. If someone asks you this question, they want to know your nationality. And your answer should be like 我是美国人. I am an American or I'm from the USA. We also use the second question, 你是哪里人 a lot in daily Chinese. 哪里 is a question word, meaning where. We learned it in lesson 3 of our elementary Chinese course. So, the later translation of this question is you are where person. Where are you from? Actually, the question 你是哪里人 can be used to ask not only which country someone comes from, but also which province or which city a person is from. And it depends on the context to figure out what the exact meaning of this question is. For example, if you meet a Chinese person at the first time, and he or she doesn't know which country you are from, in this situation, the meaning of the question 你是哪里人 is the same as the meaning of 你是哪国人. Which country you are from is what he or she wants to know. Your answer should be the same. For example, 我是美国人. Here is another context. Let's say you have a Chinese colleague. Of course, you already know he or she is Chinese, and you would like to know the specific place he or she comes from. Then you can use this question. 你是哪里人? The answer you expect is either like 我是四川人 I'm from Sichuan. Sichuan is a province in southwestern China. Or 我是北京人 I'm from Beijing. Quick review. The first question, 你是哪国人 can only be used to ask which country someone is from. The second question, 你是哪里人 can be used to ask which country, which province, or which city someone is from. But you need to know the context to find out the accurate meaning. That's all for today's Ask Litao. Feel free to leave your questions in comments or email us at service@litaochinese.com. If you want to learn Chinese in a systematic and efficient way, please visit our website litaochinese.com to get the full version courses and more learning support. See you next time. 再见。